How you can make money using ChatGPT AI and affiliate marketing. To start, you need an extension in Google Chrome. The name of this extension is AIRPM, which is related to ChatGPT. You can search this term in Google from within your Google Chrome, and it will come to you and you can install it easily. Well, inside this box, we want to type ebook. This ChatGPT tool has made a lot of work easier because you can write any topic you want in a special way. It does it easily for you in any part of the work. For example, if you want to tweet in Twitter, you can use the assistant. Twitter in this artificial intelligence, you can have different template for Twitter. But here, for example, about ebook, we want to see different patterns and use it. So here we type ebook. As you can see here, is bring us different template or assistants, smart assistants that can help us write ebooks. For example, I choose this ebook, generate 100% unique in 8 chapters. Here I want to generate this book in English. For example, I want him to write a book for me about the keto diet for lazy people. Then I hit enter, and as you can see, ChatGPT writes the ebook for me. Before continuing with the video, be sure to subscribe us and press the bell button to stay informed about our tutorial. But in this part, we want to make our book as an ebook, so we can use Google's facilities here as well. And we go to the Google Docs section and open a document. Of course, you can also use Word. Here we copy the title here and we enter Google Docs and paste it in this section, and in the next step we copy all the books that ChatGPT has prepared for us and paste them in Google Docs. But at this point we need to put our affiliate marketing links in our book to monetize our ebook. We are using DGStore 24 here. Of course, you can use any affiliate marketing program like ClickBank and etc. We search for the term keto, and as you can see, it brings with different suggestions. For example, I choose this product, which is an essential keto cookbook. It looks like a good book. Click on promote and copy your link and place it in your book like this. There is one more essential tip that you should include, a disclaimer for your affiliate marketing book. In the last step, you save your document as a PDF file. In the same way, you prepared a free ebook with the help to ChatGPT. Next step, you need to generate free traffic on your ebook. I want to introduce you to a free traffic source, so stay with me until the end of the video. One of the best sites where you can generate very good traffic for your ebook is SlideShare. As you can see, this site has 72 million monthly visitors, so it can be a source of free traffic for you. You can easily register from this section or log in with your Google or Facebook accounts. Just click on upload from the top of the page and publish your ebook after putting the title and description. This way, you can prepare many ebooks and generate a lot of free traffic.